How's it going, guys? It's me, JustSnooper, and I'm back, and today we're going to be playing some more Minecraft survival games, guys. And we are playing on Return to Moonbase, and I am on AliA skin. Ha, yeah! So, and I am using Craftomatic's black and white texture pack version 2, and we got some decent stuff off spawn, guys. And I'm going to be rushing off to gate 4. I don't know where this goes, but hopefully it goes somewhere good. Yeah, I know this place. But I am back, and we are on the Australian servers because that's where I simply play. I don't know if that's when you. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Let's get this tier 2 in there, and that would be pretty good for us. And let me drop. I can only drop if I get a better weapon from this tier 1. Yes, I do, and we get a nice. We're gonna craft ourselves a quick FNS here because we need to get our secondaries up and running since we don't have too good of a weapon. Oh, we didn't need that simply. We didn't need that actually. We shouldn't have crafted that FNS because we already got one from that chest. But now I don't know where to go. Let's just head off this place right now. We have 9 people remaining, and I am lagging as reckless. Now, guys, the topic on this video is that I wanted to say that I'm back, and yeah, simply it. I'm back, and hopefully we can create more videos together. Woo! And hopefully we can get a pretty good start. And I think this is episode, I'm not sure, it's 8 or 7, I'm not sure. Let's get this tier 2 here. Oh yes, diamond sword. Now we can get diamond sword. Now we're getting really jazzy now. Let's sort out our inventory here. Okay, we need a bow. That'll be pretty good. And let's get a spawn so we can simply craft our sword. And before we do that, Mr. Aerodynamics. Okay, he's got a better weapon than me. And I don't know how am I gonna play this. I have to play this very. Okay, I did one of the newbiest fires in the history of Minecraft. And combo. There we go, guys. There we go, we got him, and we got quite a bit of points for that. And, oh, whoops, didn't put that on properly. We got that, bit of weapon, bam. Don't need these crappy stuff. Okay, that's simply good. We got it pretty good. I don't know how we walked into that fire. I was meant to land that somewhere else, but we got that, so that's that. Now, I don't know why I have cookies. Cookies are bad. Cookies are the worst food in the history of Minecraft. That was actually a decent montage clip. Oh my god, I'm getting that thing again. There we go. Okay, guys. So I am officially back, and I'm happy to be back, guys, so I can make more videos for you guys. And yeah, so let's see if anyone's at spawn and make sure I'm free to craft this sword. And oh my god. I don't think we are. Is he good? Hi. Oh yeah, I'm muted for bypassing filter. I don't know what that is, but it's not good, I think. He's got diamond sword, so we can run away from him, so we can quickly craft a diamond sword before he actually tries to run after me. Got it, bam it, sweet. Now we got a diamond sword now, and he's gonna run for some reason. I don't know why, but let me eat this before. Okay, that looked a little bit suspicious. Now I am lagging. there we go, guys. We got him, and I'm just gonna run away before anyone tries to clean me up. Sweet. What better pants? Bam, 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 bam. We got 2 diamond swords. Oh, chuck that away, exit. Give it that. Okay. We are looking pretty good, guys. We have got some decent kills, and we got he fishing rod me into my own fire. What such a bad boy he is. Now I am using Craftomatic's version 2 black and white pack, and I love it, guys. It is so good. And I see that guy, little Willy. Now he's got a bow for me. I know he's gonna go for that fight. It's pretty obvious. Oh no, he had a bow. Damn it. Come on. Kill him. Kill him. Damn it, he had a bow. Why don't I have a bow? Only if I had a bow I could bow him a few times, but meh, guys, so thank you for watching this video. It wasn't that good, but it's just my luckiness that I didn't have a bow, but that's alright. We still got a pretty good game here. We killed, let's see if I can slash the bug. I got 2 kills, and that was alright, and those 2 kills were pretty good. But thank you for watching, guys, and if you guys did enjoy this video, please do leave a like, and I'm back. And yes, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you guys see you later. See you guys.